Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nicole Singa and I'm a registered dietitian that is plant-based, and I focus a lot on meal prepping and meal planning on my channel. So for this week's video, I'm going to be focusing on budget-friendly recipes. So for all the recipes, you're actually only going to need to spend $5 per serving for one person, which is fantastic. So if you want the full recipes, head on over to my website, nicolesinga.com, and definitely stay tuned to learn how I make them.
So the first recipe I'm making here is a lentil pasta salad. So I'm simply just combining some canned lentils, some pasta, some greens, and some cherry tomatoes that I just cut in half. And then I'm going to be putting together a dressing that's simply just olive oil, balsamic vinegar, maple syrup, Dijon mustard, and garlic. Make sure you're adding the dressing just before you're serving it. So the next recipe I'm going to be making is a sheet pan recipe, which is one of my favorite types of recipes to make. It's just super easy. So I'm simply just adding a sweet potato that's chopped, zucchini that's chopped, bell pepper, red onion, some black beans, and corn on a sheet pan, and then mixing together a spice blend of chili powder, cumin, oregano, and paprika, along with adding a little bit of avocado oil as well. And that's going in the oven for 425. And that's about it. Alright, and the next recipe I'm going to be making is an easy tofu stir fry. And I want to use up a bag of frozen veggies, so that's what I did with this recipe. So I'm just getting 2 skillets going, and on one skillet I'm adding some tofu that I've pressed already that's extra firm, and I chopped them into cubes. So I'm just heating them with some avocado oil. And then on the second skillet I'm adding a bag of frozen stir-fried veggies. They can be any type of veggie you want, just until they're brown, so about 5 to 6 minutes. And then while those are cooking, I'm mixing together a marinade of soy sauce, sesame oil, water, brown sugar, and cornstarch, and I'm just adding them to the tofu when it's done cooking, and then I'm adding a little bit of the marinade to the veggies as well, and serving that over rice. And the last recipe I'm making is an Instant Pot veggie chili. So this one's super simple. So first I'm placing some chopped peppers, onions, spices, some broth or water, tomato sauce, and rice in an Instant Pot, and I'm just putting that on for 8 minutes on the high setting. And then once that's done cooking, I'm simply going to stir in some beans. So I'm using black beans, kidney beans, and corn, and that's about it.
Alright, well thanks so much for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this kind of content. Head on over to nicolesinga.com to grab the full recipes, and definitely join me for next week's meal prep.